I have to brag for just a minute. Did you know that Chargent is a top-rated payment application in the Salesforce AppExchange? It's something we worked very hard to achieve and are working even harder to ensure that it stays that case. My name is Robert, and I am from Chargent. If you're a new Chargent customer who is ready to dive into Salesforce Payments, then you're in the right place. Today, I'll be your guide as we walk you through the essential resources available to help you integrate Chargent seamlessly and start processing payments today. And don't worry, I'll include links to everything I mentioned in the description. As a new Chargent customer, we always recommend beginning with our Quick Start Guide. The Quick Start Guide is essential Chargent 101 designed to get you set up to start taking payments in less than 10 minutes. Before I show you all the resources available to you, I want to mention that if you need help getting started, you can get in touch with us at any time. Just click the link in the description to contact us. So, you completed a quick start and want to explore recurring billing, or maybe learn how you can automate your collection process. Our website documentation builds on the information presented in the guide, providing detailed setup instructions for Chargent additional features. If reading instructional documentation isn't for you, make sure to watch the other videos on our YouTube channel. Our video library, organized into playlists by topics, covers everything from step-by-step guides to tips and tricks that help you optimize your payment process. It's a great way for all the visual learners out there to get up and running with Chargent. Scratching your head over pesky issues? You might want to search our knowledge base. Here, you'll find detailed articles, troubleshooting tips, frequently asked questions, and best practices. The knowledge base is your go-to resource for in-depth information about Chargent, and we update it every day. If you still can't find what you need in the knowledge base or documentation, our support team has got you covered. You can reach out directly to our support team. I put a link in the description to contact us. As the leader of our support team, I can ensure that we're always ready to assist you. You can reach us during our office hours between 5 a.m. and 5 p.m. Pacific time. We strive to provide a quick turnaround time and are available to support you via phone and email. For our developers out there watching, we have something just for you. Do you long to dive into pro code tools like Chargent Custom Checkout, multi-gateway tokenization, and smart payment routing? If so, check out our developer site. Here, you'll find comprehensive descriptions, API references, and code examples, all designed to help you customize Chargent to fit your needs. Our documentation is constantly updated to reflect the latest features and best practices, ensuring that you have the most current information at your fingertips. Whether you're a Salesforce admin, a seasoned developer, or just getting started with Salesforce and Chargent, we're committed to your success and are here to support you every step of the way. All of these resources, from our quick start guide, video library, knowledge base, to our extensive developer documentation and top-notch customer support, are here to give you all the tools you need to make the most out of Chargent. Thank you for choosing Chargent. We're excited to be part of your payments journey. And now, check out this next video, where we'll learn about everything you can do with Chargent. My name is Robert, and I am from Chargent, where we're dedicated to helping you make Salesforce payments simple. And remember, we're always here to help.